Hello guys, today we're going to focus on perfect squares and how to use this shortcut to make life a lot easier. Well, before you want to do perfect squares, guys, you want to make sure you make this as easy as possible for you. For example, looking at all this trinomial, you're going to realize that you could actually take out an x before you get started. So we have 16x squared now plus 24x by itself, and this just remains a 9. Now life's going to be a lot easier for you, and you're going to find out why. Remember, guys, the formula for perfect squares is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now you need to identify what's my a and what's my b. A lot of you guys might say, oh, it's just my x squared. No, it's not. It has to be the whole thing, guys. Well, let's look at this 16x squared for a moment. 16x squared. If I want all of this to be to the power of 2, couldn't I just say 4 squared and x squared? Wouldn't that be the same thing as saying 4x squared? You got it. So in this case, we found our a. Our a is 4x. Now, for the b is a lot easier because look, the 9 is actually a perfect square by itself. We know that 3 times 3 equals 9. Therefore, you found your b. Well, since you already have your a and your b so easily found, it's even easier to write our answer. Our answer is just going to be, again, 2 parentheses, 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3 is the same thing twice, which is why we call it a perfect square. It's the same thing twice. So because it's the same thing twice, you can just say it's 4x plus 3 to the power of 2. And that's how you use perfect squares to factor a lot easier.